Mr. Harper who perhaps broke their pay as well.
Yes!
And don't forget about the 30-some-odd bills that have been on, that were on the floor in December, that all of a sudden at Christmas break fell off. Were they unimportant things that you merely stuck in and just to kill some time until Christmas break, just in case C-SPAN happened to catch as it was panning by? Bills to be debated to make it look like you were busy? Or were they important bills?
Mr. Harper in jail.
But according to Mr. Harper and to Mr. Kraft, there was really nothing important on the table that can't be picked up later. So, the environment? Who cares? The economy? Who cares? The Afghan war? The Afghan detainee situation? Nobody's paying attention, right?
No way.
Their message is, don't worry about it, we'll start over, we'll get back, no one will miss it. Well, Steve, it's time to get back to work. We don't really miss you, but we want you to get back to work. Answer the tough questions and get over it. Okay, we've all had to do this as adults. It's called being responsible members of society. Try it. Thank you very much.